So let's go over how to color fill in Procreate. There's actually 3 different ways in which you can color fill. You can color fill individual objects on your image, you can color fill an entire layer, or you can color fill a selection. Let's go over how to do all 3. So getting us started here, I have this example image opened. Let's say I want to change the color of this background here from pink to something else. To color fill that, the first thing I'm going to do is open up the color picker over here in the top right corner, and I'm going to choose a new color that I'd like to use. And once I've done that, I'm going to close out of that, and then I'm going to just take that little color circle in the top right corner and just tap and drag that over the area that I'd like to fill in, and then it's going to fill it in with that color there, just like that. Okay, so that's how you can fill individual objects, and this works for anything that you place it over. If I want to change this to a different color like that, I could take this and just bring this over those leaves right there and change that color like that. Okay, so let me undo that. Let's go over how to fill in an entire layer. Let's say you want to fill this entire layer with a solid color. To do that, all you have to do is open the Layers menu and then tap this layer to open up this little submenu right here. And what I'm looking for right here is where it says Fill Layer. I'm going to tap on Fill Layer, and it's going to fill the entire layer with that color, just like that. Okay, so let me close out of that. And then the final way to color fill in Procreate is to fill selections. So let's open up the selection menu over here. Now, if you notice over here in the bottom right corner, there's this option that says color fill. When you have color fill enabled, that makes it so that whenever you create a selection, it will be automatically filled with whatever color you have enabled up here in the top right corner, which you can see here. I have this color activated. So I'm going to enable the color fill, and I'm going to draw. If you notice, we have all these different types of selections you can create. I'm going to create a freehand selection, and I'm just going to draw like that, and then tap the starting point like that, and as you can see, it filled in the selection with my chosen color right there. Okay, so let me undo that. Now let's say you've created your selection and you have color fill turned off by default, and now you want to fill in this selection retroactively. Well, all you have to do is grab your color, just like we did for the first step, take the color and just tap and drag it into the selection like that, and it'll fill it in just like that. Okay, so that is how you can go about working with color fills in Procreate. As always, thanks for watching.